If you've ever wondered what an economical welder off of Amazon might look like, well then this video is for you. Today we're going to be reviewing the Deco 160 amp arc welder. This is for sale on Amazon currently for about $130. It's a relatively compact machine. It weighs 12 pounds. It's dual voltage, so it's either 110 or 220. And it's strictly an arc welding machine, which is just stick welding. We're going to run a couple beads real quick and let you decide whether or not it's going to work for your application. Today we're going to be running 3 different rods. We have 6011, 6013, and 7018. 3 very common rods. All of these are 1/8 inch in diameter. We're just going to be doing some welding on some 1018 clean metal, just welding the seams. Alright, so we're going to run this seam with 6011, 1/8 inch rod. The machine's set at about 100 amps. We're just going to do a subtle whipping motion along the seam and then let you take a look at the bead. So there's a bead with 6011 run at 99 amps. I'm going to move on to 6013, also 1/8 inch rod. I'm going to leave the same amperage. And there's a bead with 6013 ran at 99 amps. I'm going to run the 7018. A little harder starting rod. I'm going to run the amperage up a little higher. So this is our first bead with 6011, a notoriously violent burning rod. Ran that one at 99 amps with this little machine. I stopped the arc right here unintentionally and then restarted right here and ran that bead. We swapped over to 6013, a pretty easy rod to weld with. Ran at 99 amps again, ran a really nice bead. Then switched over to 7018. I jumped the amperage up to 140. Welded pretty nice. I have some porosity right here. I'm guessing I just didn't clean out the coupon good enough. But overall everything welded very nice. So now that we've got to see some welds with this machine, I see what it's capable of for $130. I think it's a pretty good deal. I build fence on the side and have several employees that run my machines, and find myself buying little machines like this because they're relatively hardy and they're only $130. You can see the performance is more than adequate, and definitely no crying over $130 when they get broken. So I would have no regrets purchasing this machine. I don't think you will have any regrets either if you're just getting into welding, or you're in the same boat I am where you're looking for cheap machines. So the link is in the description. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.